He's done.
Oh my God.
Absolutely dropped. That was on it.
Absolutely no wheel spin. It was a little bit boggy. I'd like another go.
Mate, you can have all the goes in the world.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he had a better start that time. Mine was a bit squirrely.
Oh my God.
Just keep on dropping him.
Wow.
I can't really see what your expression is because your windows are blacked out. Are you happy with that one?
Yeah, do you know what? That was a good launch, but oh my God. It defies physics and logic, doesn't it?
So was that a much better launch than last time?
Oh yeah, much better. Still absolutely no wheel spin here. I don't know whether it's the surface or something. It's irrelevant. Even if this had a perfect little bit of slip and kept going, that's just going to beat me by a little bit less, maybe.
I don't know what to say, really. Do you ever go in this?
Yes, please.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I think I might have had him off the line. He was napping a bit.
Flipping hell.
Nah, chance.